now buy an Ae86 chassis.
Oh.
It's too early for
It
this.
is way too early.
So you can now buy a Toyota Ae86 Reproduction shell for $9,500.
That's only if you buy 5.
Buy 5 chassis.
You can't buy just one. It's a bit silly.
Yeah, so you've got to buy 5 chassis, but literally they come with nothing. They come with no headlights. It's just a chassis. I'll put a picture up.
Yeah, it's, from what I can see, you're going to have to find every bit of interior, including dash, everything. You're not going to find that.
No, technically possible, although it's easier said than done. In the case of the legendary Toyota Ae86, it doesn't need to be said, but it's already been done, at least with unibody. Oh yeah, they've done escorts and stuff like that, haven't they?
Yeah, there is stuff that's been redone anyway, but they come a bit more complete, or you can get parts easier.
Made in China.
Made from Chinesium.
Chinesium chassis.
Yeah, it'll either rust or fall apart.
Oh, well done, China. Well, at least somebody's doing something. Anybody else who would have done that would have paid. Trouble is, you've got to buy 5.
You've got to buy 5 and
9,500, so that's about 7,000 UK.
And how many people are going to be reshelling an Ae86? Because that's all it's good for. You can't build that into a car on a sensible, in a sensible way. You can't do that.
Suspension, a lower arm, subframe, rear axle, but then you're going to reinvent the car, aren't you? You're not going to have an Ae86, you're going to have a 2J, an American muscle, something in it, I don't know.
Yeah, but it's the things you're going to need. Windows, dash, interior, everything like that. You're going to need stuff like that. The headlights and the brackets for the headlights and all the little, everything. You're going to need everything.
You can build your own drift missile. That's going to cost 40, 50 grand. 40, 50 grand, easy. Easy.
If not more.
It does say on it though, you can put... Oh, that was on the other one. Oh yeah, no, it said Toyota's up and coming 4-cylinder 2JZ killer. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, it's not going to sound like a 2J, is it? It's just not.
No, but yeah. I'm going to buy 5. Do you want to buy one?